Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove rear door panel on Audi A4 guys. The B6, B7 generation I think will be a very close procedure as well. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. So first we'll need a prying tool, okay, and we'll need to remove that trim piece on the front. Okay, you need to pop it this way. Okay, like that. Now it's important, you need to pull it this way and then it needs to slide towards the front, but still there is a couple clips here, okay, and you slide it towards the front. Okay, the last clip is the one that you need to slide right here, as you can see, and check out all the other clips underneath. Okay, now we will need a Phillips screwdriver and we have 3 screws that we will need to remove on the door panel, under the trim piece, and there is one more that we'll show in a minute. Okay, first one is out. We have quite a few videos, probably about 100 videos on that model guys, so please check out the playlist. We have on our second channel, World Mechanics, more Audi videos if you need them. Okay, now underneath the handle right here there is one more. It's kind of like hidden one, and we need to get a little bit longer screwdriver that way we can reach it. Okay, so it's right there, you can see the angle. It's a little bit hard to get to. Okay, that's ready now. We need to get the prying tool guys, okay? And we have the links for all the tools we use on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. After you pull it this way, you need to go up because it's laying on the window rail right here. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Okay, and this one you need to pull it out, okay, like that. Okay, then we need to disconnect the wire, okay, from the door computer there. Okay, you can see you just press in there and you release it. And then we have one more wire that goes to the tweeter from the speaker. Okay, like that. You can see this one, you press both pieces. So the door clips are right here, one here. Okay, one more here that's missing, somebody didn't install it last time. We have one more there and one broken, okay? So it's a good idea to always buy some spare ones before you remove the door panel. They're easy to replace, but they do break. So we got it out now. So that's how you guys remove the door panel. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and help us grow the channel together.